To transfer money from Chase to Zelle, you will need to follow a few simple steps. First, ensure you have the Chase mobile app and a Zelle account. If you do not have the Chase mobile app, you can download it from the App Store on your device. Next, enroll in Chase online if you have not already done so. This will allow you to access your account and initiate transfers. Once you have access to the Chase mobile app, navigate to the menu and select Zelle. If you have not already linked your Zelle account to your Chase account, you will need to do so by following the prompts. This may require verifying your email address or phone number associated with your Zelle account. After linking your accounts, you can initiate a transfer by selecting the Send Money with Zelle option. Enter the recipient's email address or phone number associated with their Zelle account and the amount you wish to transfer. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Then confirm the transfer. The funds will be transferred from your Chase account to the recipient's Zelle account, typically within minutes. It is essential to note that you should only send money to people you know and trust, as transactions cannot be reversed once initiated. Additionally, be aware of any transfer limits and fees associated with using Zelle through your Chase account. To avoid any issues, always verify the recipient's information before initiating a transfer, and keep your account information up to date. By following these steps, you can easily and securely transfer money from your Chase account to someone's Zelle account.